Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm kind of excited about opening this package today. First of all, I want to thank Beth Ramsden for pushing me a little bit, or agreeing to push me a little bit, to learn how to knit. Beth and I did a 5 days of Christmas collab where each day we did something a little different, and I learned to knit. Now, granted, I've only knitted 2 things in my whole life. One, we're gonna call it a flag, or under granny panties, or something like that, and this doll scarf, you know, a little doll. But I bought this because I want to learn to knit. You guys make beautiful items, and I want to do that too. I had bought this book on eBay quite a while back, and I'll be honest, I actually forgot I had it. This one is crochet. I love these books. And these outfits, most of them will, it always comes back to Blythe, fit Blythe also. And there's just, I mean, there is so much in here. And if I can crochet, anybody can crochet. And even Barbie's doll, a dog, a little coat. Come on, that's cute. And there's just sweaters and dresses and skirts and hats and bags and granny square outfits and evening gown. I mean, everything. So when I started knitting, and because I want to do more, I ordered this book. This is the first time I'm cracking it open. Let's look at it backwards. Oh, that's so pretty. I am excited to try, oh God, look at that. Oh, Winter Brides. To try knitting again. And I'm going to get to that real soon. Look at those hats. Oh, oh, oh. And I know some of you wouldn't even need this to whip up some cute outfits that you make, but I am new. Oh gosh, look at this. You know I'm, oh, and you can knit a little Barbie dog coat. I love that. Where did, oh, is that skating? Look at this. Yeah, Darren's gonna have to 3D print me some little skis for my dolls. I love dolls in action, and I really like winter sports and seeing those. So anyway, I ordered this. I'm trying to remember what I paid. It wasn't too much. If you want a book like this in knitting or crochet, go to eBay or one of the other ones. And what I do is I go through all of them, and I just watch for a few days. And if it says make offer, I do. And I make an inexpensive offer. I won, and I got it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please stay tuned and see if I can actually make a sweater or if I'm be making more flags. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.